Yo.
What's up?
Nothing. Are you at home by chance?
Negative. What's up?
Cause I just want to go grab my bike.
Just knock on the front door first, and if no one answers, go around back. All right, buddy. I'll talk to you later.
Bye.
All right, bye.
It's bike retrieval day. Gonna bring a pump because I don't know what condition this bike is in. Yay, there's my bus.
Yeah. All our tips are straight there. What is that for?
No. Okay.
Thank you.
I took the TTC, the Chariot of the People. I've almost arrived at the destination of where my bike is. This bike is a bike that me and my brother built like maybe 2 years ago, and then it just sat in my friend's backyard for another year, so I want to get it back, try to fix it up a little bit, and then get riding it again because, I don't know, it was a good bike. I just kind of left it. Alrighty, let's see if the bike works. It's working. It's working. Can I stop? Here we go. Decently sketchy on the stop. We are down here in the supply cupboard, and we're gonna get some stuff, try to get this bike running a little bit smoother. Also, there was water in the seat, so my butt's wet now. Hey. Okay, so the bike's not half bad. It's in rideable condition for sure, but this isn't the greatest. Decently untrue, or straight, or pretty wobbly, whatever you want to call it. Other than that though, the bike's actually working pretty well. Let's see. Let's see Tim's final resting place. Where the seat is now is where the seat's gonna stay. I didn't even want it any higher. No. I earned it. Oh, I earned it. Rocky Mountain Cold. I earned that. Been tracking this cardinal here for quite a while in my backyard here, but not coming up with anything. We're out here trying to find him. Likes to tease me as well, because sometimes I think I can get a shot of him, but he flies away or his wife comes by and says hello. But you know, I've been really trying to track him since the winter time, and I can't do it because he's a sneaky little bugger, and he's a trickster. The mailman just arrived, and he brought 2 brown envelopes. I'm hoping that this is my tax return. Please. I was right. fueling up with some fruit so I can really get to work catching these birds. Well, not catching the birds, just want to get a video of them. I'm thinking if I'm on a full stomach, I can really get to work getting some nice footage. I'm thinking this might help me get closer to them. They might also think that I'm a bird getting close to me and allowing me to get that money shot that I've been waiting on for a couple months now. Griffin, my friend, join me.
Do they know what you look like? You're wearing a feathered masquerade mask.
So I've been tracking it into its 2 favorite hiding spots. This tree here. That's, okay, that's scaring away the bird. You're scaring the bird. I see him. I got the papers on. On that post. So I almost got my shot, but I messed it up by making it blurry with my finger. I'm waiting for him to come back around because I will get a nice shot for you guys. I will get that shot that I've been waiting for this entire time. I've been waiting for since February. Did you scare away the birds? You scared the birds away. So the ride home was a success, but the bike needs a little bit of, oh shit. Ooh.